Tata Consultancy Services reported freeze on experienced hiring and plans to cut 12,000 jobs have stirred anxiety in India's $280 billion IT industry, which employs over 5.8 million people. The development highlights a period of uncertainty and transformation for the sector now at a critical crossroads. AI-driven transformation behind IT sector shakeup. While often portrayed as AI cutting jobs, the current upheaval in India's IT sector reflects a deeper AI-led transformation. According to industry experts, AI is reshaping software development and IT services by driving unprecedented efficiencies, prompting a rethinking of business models, talent strategy, and the nature of work itself. AI's ability to boost efficiency across the entire software development lifecycle lies at the core of this change. AI's rising role in driving IT efficiency, with cost optimization dominating new deals, AI is helping companies showcase efficiency and win investor confidence. Experts note that AI-powered coding assistant, code generators, and intelligence debuggers are boosting productivity by over 30%. Its impact is especially strong in testing and maintenance, where AI reduces human error and improves accuracy through data-driven insights, making software testing faster and more reliable. AI's growing influence on jobs and work structures. AI is rapidly integrating into global enterprises, with over $1 trillion expected to be spent on its development in 2025. From generative chatbots to intelligence automation, it is reshaping customer services, decision-making, and organizational structures. Automation and low-code platforms enable fewer employees to accomplish more, impacting hiring trends. These mirrors cases like Wells Fargo in the US, where workforce reduction has been ongoing for years, driven by efficiency gains. AI era opens new opportunities for Indian IT. Global firms face hurdles like outdated infrastructure, poor data quality, and fragmented systems when adopting AI at scale. With regulations such as the Reuse AI Act requiring responsible and compliant AI, Indian IT companies can step into clean and organized data, modernize systems, and build compliant solutions. This positions Indian firms not as AI's victim, but as key enablers helping global clients adopt it effectively. TCS signals shift toward an AI-driven future. With over 607,000 employees, TCS' recent move serves as a signal to markets, clients, and staff. For investors, it reflects disciplined cost optimization and market adaptation. For clients, a commitment to efficient AI-powered solutions, and for employees, the need for continuous upskilling. Industry leaders note that India's IT era, built on large coding teams for legacy systems, is ending. The future will belong to lean AI-native firms tackling complex challenges in sectors like healthcare, defense, fintech, sustainability, and education, where small teams can outperform massive workforces. Adapting skills for the AI age in Indian IT. AI is unlikely to replace those needing deep technical expertise, creativity, and critical thinking, such as C++ developers, tech architects, UI UX designers, and robotics specialists. Expert advisor developer to shift towards supervisory and collaborative roles, focusing on strategic, ethical, domain-specific, and security aspects that AI cannot match. They emphasize that the TCS development are not sign of decline, but a call for India's tech workforce to adapt, evolve, and excel in an AI-driven future. Indian tech sector shifts from scale to specialization. India's IT industry remains a global leader, backed by skilled talent, government digitization effort, and a thriving startup ecosystem. While it continues to attract multinational corporations for GCCs, the focus is shifting from serial scale to specialized expertise and advanced technologies like AI. This transition offers a chance to shed its traditional image and lead in intelligent automation and digital innovation. As AI resets workflows and expectations, the sector's core strength, people, processes, and predictability face a crucial test.